Month of Ramadan is very much important for us. A Ramadan planner can help you to maintain your activity during Ramadan. In today's video, I will show you how can you make a dynamic and time-saving Ramadan planner with your digital device using Google Sheets. This planner can help you to monitor your work and performance. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. For making a planner, you need to create a chart or list that can help you to make your work easy. I'm using this chart to make my own planner. Firstly, you need to open Google Sheets. If you are a mobile user, then you need to install it. Then start with a blank template. At first, include all of your work one by one like me. Then you can format all of the cells like me. Then you need to freeze all of the heading cells. For this, go to View menu and select Freeze option like me. In the column starting with Ramadan, I will apply the sequence function. You can also use this function like me. The formula is given in the description box. You can copy it from there. After that, I will include radio feature which can make this planner more dynamic. Simply select a cell, then go to the menu called Data, then Data Validation. Click on Add Rule option. You need to select a drop down from the criteria, then insert your option and customize them with color like me. Now it's looking very dynamic. Now I want to apply this same feature in all of these cells. For this I need to go on the Add Rule option again and set the range from the initial to finishing cell. You can do the same thing for all the columns you need. Oh, your Ramadan planner is ready now. This planner can help you to monitor your work and your overall performance during this Ramadan. You can see your own performance by graph chart. For this, simply go to Insert menu, then Chart, and you can select your chart. You can also download this chart. If you need this template, then check the description box, download a copy, and then you can apply necessary changes according to your requirements. So that's all for today. Hope this video will help you. If you enjoyed the video, then you can share this video in your community.